Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Audio Technica to your speaker in 2026. So first of all, you need to take a look at the back of your turntable. You need to find the phono/line switch. Then you can set it to line if you are connecting directly to the powered speakers. If you are using an amplifier with a photo input, then you need to select the phono option. Now, after doing so, you need to take the RCA cable that came with your turntable. After that, simply plug the red and the white connector into the turntable outputs and then connect the other end to your speaker or amplifier input. Just make sure that everything is firmly connected. After doing so, simply turn on the turntable and the speaker. Select the input source, which is usually labeled as the aux or line on your speaker or amplifier. Now you need to start playing the record. After doing so, simply increase the volume from your speakers or amplifiers. Start low and adjust gradually to avoid any kind of distortion. Then simply check both the channels for balanced sound. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.